This is one of my favorites. Guess what time it is? Layla, Jill, Bean, Jasper. It's snack time. Who wants a snack? Bean knows. Bean wants one. Bean's gonna get a snack. Come on, it's raining snacks in a minute. Layla's got her stick. Come on, Jasper, he's coming. Snack time. Good Bean. Snack time, snack time, snack time, snack time. You want a snack, Bean? Yeah. There's your buddy Jill. Snack time. Come on, no, snack time. Not playtime, snack time. Jill. Snack time, come on. Go, Bean. Go, Jill. Come on, Layla, drop that stick. Good girl. It's snack time, let's show them snack time. It's raining snacks. Hallelujah. Who wants a snack? There's a snack tray. Snacks. Snacks. Get it, Bean. It's raining snacks. It's raining snacks. That's good. Everybody gets snacks. They're all over. These are the ones have glucosamine in it, which is good for their hips and stuff. So, hope you're having fun. More later. Bye.